It was just after 7:30 when Mike arrived at work. He looked up at the building. The lights on his floor were still off. He didn't mind. He had been first before. He took the elevator up alone. When the doors opened, the hallway was dark. He walked to the office door and unlocked it. He stepped inside. He didn't turn on all the lights, just the ones above his desk, enough to see. He put his bag down and went to the kitchen. He made a pot of coffee. He stood at the counter and waited. Through a small window above the sink, he could see the buildings outside. Most of the windows were still dark. He carried his coffee back to his desk. He did not open his laptop right away. He just held his coffee and looked around. The office was neat and still. Every chair was pushed in. Every desk was clean. It looked different when it was empty like this. Quieter, bigger. During the day, it gets noisy. People talking, phones ringing, keyboards clicking. But now there was only a low hum from the computers near the wall. He took a slow sip of coffee. He looked out the window. The sky outside was getting lighter. Not bright yet, but less dark. He was not thinking about his schedule or his emails yet. Just sitting there. He liked being first. After about 20 minutes, he heard the elevator open at the end of the hall. Footsteps in the hallway. Then a bag dropped on a desk. Then a chair rolling back. Then, quietly, "Good morning," a voice from across the room. A minute later, another person arrived. The sounds came back one by one. The office was waking up. Mike took one last sip of coffee. He turned to his desk and opened his laptop. The quiet morning was over.